So now we are going into the system, sir. Now we are going into the system. You just observe it. So once you install your SAP in your laptop, you will have this one, SAP Management Console. Just observe, sir, this is the icon, SAP Management Console. Okay, this is what we are going to say it as a server, SAP server. Okay, and this is your SAP GUI. Okay, and then once they installed, your software will be available in one of your local drives, sir. So this is where the entire software is available in my laptop. Okay, now this SAP management, you need to start your server. You need to start your server. So after doing your installation, you need to do this one, SAP Management Console. Based on this, you need to do your server switch on. Okay, once you click on this one, immediately it will come like this. Okay, so now it is in green, which means it is the server on. Let me stop and redo it. Okay, sir, now you can observe, sir. See, once you open, this is the way. This is your server. Just double click on it. Just double click on it. Sir, as the initial, you may require help, sir. After doing 2, 3, 4 times practice, automatically you will aware of this management console, sir. But in real time, remember, sir, in real time, we won't do this work. In real time, see, once you double click on this, this is where the screen will come. You select this one. Here, this is your start button, or you can give right click and then start. Anything is fine, sir. This is your start button. Pop-up will come. You say OK. Give your password. It is always welcome only, sir, for demo systems. Okay. Okay. Then this is your refresh system. So you need to refresh this one till the entire thing will become in green. It need to come to green, sir. So now it is in green. Okay. Now you can use your SAP. So once it becomes green, then only we are able to use your SAP system. Okay. Else it is not possible, sir. You need to wait till it becomes to green. So it takes normally 2 minutes, sir. Okay. Now this is your SAP GUI. Here you will have the server name. Sir, we have discussed, right? SAP servers, development system, quality system. Here, sir. So it is a demo system. You are having only one server. But when it comes to the real time, you will have here, instead of Y01, DS1 system, QS1 system, PRD system. PRD means production system, pre-production PRPD system, or QS2 system. Like that they will maintain here. Okay, that is your system description. If you observe here properties, right click and then properties. Here system ID. Here they will mention whether it is related to quality system, development system, or pre-production system. This is where they will maintain. Okay, this is your server. As we are doing in our local system itself, that is local host. If it is real time, you will have some network IDs here, sir. Okay. Now, our thing is you just double click on this one. Here, your observation is your client code. This is a demo system. We are using client. This is a demo system. We are using client codes. That means, one second, sir. Yeah. Yeah. Here we are using demo system and your client code is 800. When you are in real time, as we discussed your landscape, this is your development system. In development system also, in one of the client you do configuration, the other client you do your testing. That is what we have discussed. And here also you can see in quality. In one of the client, we are going to do testing, and one of other client QA team will do testing, and one more client we will use for training. It depends upon business to business, it will vary, sir. It depends business to business, it will vary. So here your observation is client codes. So for our training, we are having only 800 clients. When you are in real time, your development clients will be different, quality clients will be different, pre-production clients will be different, and production client code is different. Okay, these are real-time codes, sir. One of the project which I am doing it, these are real-time codes. You can say if they ask in interview, you can say my client code is 100, 110 in development, 200, 210, 220 in quality, pre-production 300, 310, and production is 400. This is the way you can say it. No issues. Okay, for our training purpose, the IDS system or dummy system, we can say, there we are going to use the client code as 800. Client code as 800. And here you need to give your username. Here for all our systems, it is going to be only one user, sir, SAP user. But in real time, based on your mail ID, they will create a specific user ID to you guys. Each and every individual will have their own client ID or their own user ID. Okay, each and every user will have their own user ID in SAP system in real time. Okay, so here your password is SAP user and username is SAP user and password is welcome. They will provide for our dummy systems or IDS system. Okay, now I am logging into it, sir. Yeah. So till here, anybody having any doubts, sir? Yes, sir.
No
Till
doubt.
here, anybody having any doubts, sir? Please. Okay, Siddharth.
Clear, sir. Clear, sir.
Yeah. Okay. So now here we have discussed earlier. Yes, sir. Master data, transaction data, and manual activities. Forget about manual activities. Master data and transaction data. We have discussed. Okay. Here, master data and transaction data, if you observe, here you see, sir, SAP menu. Forget about favorites. Favorite you can create by your own. Okay. SAP menu. This is standard SAP will provide. Menu is going to be used only for end users. In real time, menu functionality will use by end users in production system. In development system and in quality system, everybody will possible to use it. Okay, but in production system, only business users will use because this SAP menu is defined for end users, not for the consultants. It is defined for end users, not for consultants. Remember, sir. Okay, slowly we will understand of it what we are going to do it. Okay, in end user, our main focus is in accounting. In our accounting, we are going to see financial accounting, controlling, everything we are going to look it out in our accounting functionality. Okay, now along with this, we are also see where is your IT work, where IT persons will do their work. So if you go to here, SPRO is the transaction code you need to provide. Then here reference IMG. If you go here, then you will have here the configuration things. So this is your configuration, financial accounting or financial accounting new, and then controlling module is controlling. So these are the two things which we are going to take in depth of it. So within this one, if you observe, you will have financial accounting, general ledgers, okay, account receivable, account payable, bank accounting, asset accounting. All these things are we are going to look it out. We are going to look all these activities. Okay, so till here, system point of view, anybody having any doubts, sir?
Sir, transaction code SPRO means
SPRO, that is standard SAP transaction code to enter into your implementation guide, sir, where the consultant will do. Okay, so in SAP we are having transaction codes for everything. Okay, so is it required to remember all the transaction codes? No, sir, not required to remember. Only certain T codes which is required to remember. Okay, so here we are giving, see, SPRO. So S determines your SAP, P means project, reference object. Okay. SPRO simply will use it as a T code. So this SPRO abbreviation is, sir, for only SPRO we have abbreviation. For other T codes, then we don't have the abbreviation like this. SPRO means SAP project report object, sir. Sorry, reference object. SAP project reference object, SPRO abbreviation. Okay, but normally for this only for SPRO we are having the abbreviation. For other T codes, no sir, we won't. Okay, so by using this SPRO T code, you can enter into your SAP implementation guide. Go to SAP reference IMG. Go to SAP reference IMG. Then you will do your configuration. Okay, then you will do your configuration. So that is what we have discussed here. Give me a minute, sir. Okay. Yeah, sorry, sir. So now we will see here, sir. Not here, I think. We have discussed about our projects, right? Yeah, let me go to the project. So let's take implementation project or brownfield project. So in implementation project, what we have discussed, sir? First, we do kickoff meeting as is process and to be process, and post that we will finalize the business blueprint. Based on your business blueprint, we will start realization phase. So in your business blueprint, what we will finalize, sir? Your organization structure. Am I explained, sir, your organization structure? I think somewhere. Yeah, this is what we have discussed, right? Your organization structure, if you remember. So COPA will have it at controlling module, and then you will have controlling areas. Then you will have controlling modules. Then you will have company codes. Then you will have your plans. This is your organization structure. This is what you are going to finalize in your business blueprint post completion of your as is and to be. Then from business blueprint, we are going to do realization. So all these things as is, to be, and business blueprint, all these three are part of your documentation only. your as is, to be, and business blueprint. All these are part of your documentation only. It is not been part of your SAP system. Now, based on your business blueprint, you are moving into your realization phase. Your realization phase is nothing but your configuration. Okay. Now, assume in our training, we have completed as is, to be, and business blueprint. Now, assume we are in realization phase. In realization phase, as a consultant, we do configuration as per your organization structures. Okay. So right now we are not starting controlling module. We'll come up this one later. Now we will see this FI module. Now we will go with FI module for your configurations. Okay, clear sir till here? Yes sir, please. Yeah, now you just write down organization structure in your notebook. Just write down organization structure. Organization structure. Save. Save. Continue. Continue. Okay. Now you can see data was saved. Data was saved. Clear, sir? Till here clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now you write down, sir. So earlier we have discussed at initial SAP is R3 structure. Somewhere we have discussed. Yeah. SAP is 3-star structure. Write down, sir, now. SAP is 3-tier structure. Write down. First you write down presentation layer. You just write down these things now, sir. SAP layers. Write down these things. These things we have not taken up the notes, right, sir? Yeah.
Yes,
Right.
sir.
Yeah, write down. SAP layers. 3 layers or 3 structures. Presentation layer. First one is presentation layer. First one is presentation layer. Presentation layer. Second one is application layer. Presentation layer. Application layer. Database layer. Write down. Presentation layer, application layer, and database layer. Presentation layer, application layer, and database layer. Okay, Raskunar sir? Yeah. So now we are going to look it out. What is the database? What is presentation? And what is application? Cloud, anyhow, you know it. Cloud, nothing but through networks. You are saving your data in somebody's place or somewhere. That is your cloud, which is not that much as a consultant, which we need to aware, because your database is storing somewhere. But how it will be in database, and how is your presentation and how is your application. You try to understand. Whatever we are able to see. So now you are able to see your company name is REL GC1 Reliance Group Company, SR Nagar, all these address. We are able to see. Whatever we are able to see, that is what we are going to say it as a presentation layer. Okay? Whatever we are able to see, which we are going to say it as presentation layer. Okay? Yeah, write down, sir. Presentation layer. Presentation layer, which we are able to view. Which we are able to view is presentation layer. Which we are able to view is presentation layer. Okay? Examples. Examples. Display functionalities. Display functionalities. Display ante just itla చూడటాన్ని display functionality అంటాం sir. Examples. All display functionalities. All display functionalities. All display functionalities, comma, display functionalities, comma, then reports, comma, report input parameters and output display. Report input parameters, report input parameters, report input parameters and report input parameters and output to display. Output display. Output display. Okay, so just we have started. So reports, as of now it is not possible, sir. Slowly we will see the reports. If you want, I will show some example reports. This is FBL 3N general ledger report. So here, this is your input parameters. Here you are going to give your GL account, your company code and the details. Okay, so this is your input parameters. For this particular company code, you have given a GL account and executing it. No line item display. Let's take one. See, this is your input parameter. Based on your input parameter, you are getting your report. This is your SAP report. So these also we are able to view. Whichever we are able to view in SAP system is your presentation layer. Clear, sir? Presentation layer. Anybody having doubts, sir? Sir, important.
Sir,
Your SAP functionality is with only 3 layers. If you know the concept based how system is working, in real time it is very easy to you to work.
Sir, can you please
You need to learn on concept based, sir. Don't do mug up or by head methodologies.
Sir, can you please explain again?
Yes, sir. So whichever we are able to view, మనం ఏదైతే చూడగలుగుతున్నామో SAP స్క్రీన్స్ మీద, దిస్ ఈజ్ యువర్ SAP స్క్రీన్. ఏదైతే మనం చూడగలుగుతున్నామో దాన్ని ప్రెజెంటేషన్ లేయర్ అంటాం. ఓకే, సింపుల్. ఇది వచ్చేసి నీకు ఏదైనా టీ కోడ్ డిస్ప్లే కావచ్చు, లేకపోతే రిపోర్ట్ కూడా కావచ్చు. ఇప్పుడు రిపోర్ట్ ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ చేసే కదా సార్. దిస్ ఈజ్ యువర్ ఇన్పుట్ పారామీటర్స్. బేస్డ్ ఆన్ యువర్ ఇన్పుట్ పారామీటర్స్, ఇఫ్ యూ డూ ఎగ్జిక్యూట్, you will get your output. Okay, both your input you are able to see, your output also you are able to see. That is what we are going to say it as. In reports, input as well as output reports also we can see it. All those are also part of your presentation layer. Simple. మనం ఏదైతే చూడగలుగుతామో SAP screens లో everything is your presentation layer. Okay? Yes sir, clear? Response please sir.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yeah. Next one write down sir. Presentation layer. Next one, sorry, application layer. Presentation layer we have seen. Next one you write down application layer. Next one you write down application layer. Application layer nothing but programs, SAP standard programs or developed programs. Application layer nothing but SAP standard programs or developed programs or developed programs. Application nothing but SAP standard programs or developed programs. Next point, in SAP for every screen 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 we will have a screen number. We will have a screen number. We will have a screen number. We will have a screen number and its program and its own program and its own program and its own program. Okay, yeah sir, it may understand or may not understand, but don't worry, after 1 month of training or 1.5 month training you will get up. Once you revised your work, whatever these previous classes, then you will easily understand these layers sir. By that time you will get familiar with SAP, so you will get easily, but all these terminologies are important. Okay, now we will see the presentation followed by application layer. See what I said sir, for every screen this is your input screen and you have executed, this is your output screen for every screen. Okay, if you go to system and then status here, for every screen in SAP for every screen you will have a screen number. Here sir, you can see screen number 1000, and for everything you will have a program. This is your program. If you double click on this program, just double click on this program, you can see sir, this is your programs coding. నార్మల్ గా మీకు C++, జావా, .NET ఇవంటేనే కోడింగ్ అనుకుంటారు సార్. SAP also a coding sir in background. This coding will do by ABAP team. Functional team we won't do these codings. This will be done by ABAP teams, technical teams. This is your application, sir. This is your program. This is what your application layer. So for every screen, you will have presentation, then followed by application. Clear, sir? Application layer. అర్థమైందా సార్? ప్లీజ్. కర్పూరం, మహేష్, లక్ష్మి, సిద్ధార్థ్. యా సార్, కొంచెం రెస్పాండ్ అవ్వండి సో దట్ ఐఎమ్ ఏబుల్ టు ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ మచ్ మోర్. ఓకే, దిస్ ఈజ్ యువర్ అప్లికేషన్. సో ప్రతి స్క్రీన్ కి నీకు ఒక ప్రోగ్రామ్ బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్ లో ఉంటుంది. సో ఏ స్క్రీన్ అని తీసుకో, జస్ట్ యూ హ్యావ్ క్రియేటెడ్ యువర్ కంపెనీ. You just created this company. If you look at here, system and then status. System and then status. Okay, system and then status. So here you can see, sir, your screen number 161, then followed by your program. This is your application. Here you can see this is another program. Whatever you have seen in another screen, here that screen number is 1000 and program also differ. Here SAP, this is one more program. See, sir. Clear? So every screen will have its own screen number and programs. This is what we are going to say it as application layer. Okay, clear, sir? Application layer. You just try to understand application layer. As a functional consultant in real time, our involvement in application layer is very rare. We are going to involve majorly on presentation layer and database layers. Application layers we are not going to involve. Application layers will be involved by technical consultants, ABAP. Okay, clear? Anybody having doubts, sir? If no, then we'll move to the database.
Clear, sir.
Okay, next one, write down, sir, database layer. Database layer. Next one, write down database layer. Write down, sir. In SAP, database layer nothing but in SAP database layer nothing but in SAP database layer nothing but tables. Database layer nothing but tables. In SAP database layer nothing but tables. Tables. Okay. In SAP database layer nothing but your tables. Okay. Next point, write down, sir. Next point. Every table will have a key field and a normal field. Every table will have key field and a normal fields. Key field and normal fields. And key field and so every table will have key fields and normal fields. Correct, sir? Here only we missed out. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Every table will have key fields and a normal fields. Every table you will have key fields and normal fields. Every table will have key fields and normal fields. Next point you write down, sir. Key fields and normal fields. Next point. The combination of key fields is unique. The combination of key fields is unique. The combination of key fields is unique. Key field values is unique. Okay. Enough, sir. Remaining things during course will take down in depth of your tables. Now just observe the table, how it is. What is the table functionality? What is the table functionality? You just observe it. Okay. So here you can see, sir. Right now, for our training purpose, we have defined company code. So we have defined REL GC1. Okay. Just observe, sir. Then you will write down. SC16N is the T code which we need to remember, sir. Which is mandatory, need to be remembered in real time or whatever the time. Okay. Let I am giving table number as T880. Your tables are alpha numericals. It may have full alpha values or it may have full numbers or it will be both alpha and numerical both. Okay. Now here see your company. So I'm going to give this company name REL GC1. REL GC1. Okay. And then I'm executing it. Sir, you just observe. This is the information you have created. Yes or no, sir? Company name, country, company name to language, street, PO box, zip code or city name, currency. This is the information which you have created or not?
Yes, sir.
The same is available in your table level. This is what we are going to say database. This is what we are going to say it as database. Clear, sir? Yes, sir.
Clear, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yeah. Now you can see here your company is there. Your company name you are giving as RELGC1. You can observe here, sir. This is technical name. These technical names will be used by ABAP consultants, sir. So, and as a functional consultant also, we need to know the technical names. So, in SAP, for every field, every technical field or every field, we can say, whether it is technical field means technical name, this is your normal name, sir. Like your pet name, simply. Sir, myself, my name is Satyanan Reddy. So my pet name is Jia, sir. Simple, I am saying. Okay, my short abbreviation, like that, sir. This is your short name or company, and this is your company. Company name, we are going to give it as company in normal name. Technical name it is RCOMP. For every field, if you double click on field, I will show you one more T code. 11. So this is your table and just click on display. So here you can observe, sir. As I said, here see, this is your key field. Okay. So in T880, this is your key field. So by default, every table, your client number is by default active, sir. Other than that, you can see this is your key field. This is your key field. And for every field which we are having it, sir, this is technical views. These are your table technical views. SC16N, normally functional consultants we use. SC11, technical consultant will use more. Okay, transaction codes. So here, see, this is your company code. You can see, sir, for every field, there will be a length designed in SAP system. There is a length designed in SAP system. That means your company code, you are able to give a maximum of 6 digits only. You cannot give more than that. Okay, your company name, you can give 30 digits. Your country, you can give 3 digits. Name of the company again, 30. Language key, 1. Address, 30 digit. Post office codes, 10 digit. Next one is 10 digits. Like that. Currency up to 5 digits. Okay. This is the way which SAP is predefined the field length. So here you have defining, right? Your company, this is maximum of 6 digit. Your company name, you can give maximum of 30 digits. Company name too, maximum of 30 digit. I think street, what is there, sir? Street address of the company, 30 digits. Post box, office of post box, this one, 10 digits. Already 6 is there, and 8, 9, 10. You can give up to this. Okay, this is what it is defined at your table level. Okay, so we can give up to these digits. Up to, sir, ante up to ante, sir, simple. Now assume your company code, they are giving 6 digit. So here you can give up to 6 digits. That means you can give only one value, 1 digit value, 2 digit value, 3 digit, 4, 5, 6. Like that, your SAP is pre-designed in background with respect to your database. Clear, sir, your database? Database అర్థమైందా, సార్?
Yes, sir.
యా, సింపుల్ సార్.
Clear, sir.
ఓకే, సింపుల్. ఇప్పుడు మీరు మొబైల్ ఉంది సార్, మీ మొబైల్లో వచ్చేసి మీరు 64 GB లేకపోతే 128 1512 వాట్ ఎవర్ ఇట్ ఈస్ మీరు పర్చేజ్ చేస్తారు. ఇమీడియట్గా ఏం చేస్తారు సార్, దాంట్లో మీరు ఫోన్ నెంబర్లు సేవ్ చేస్తారు. ఫోన్ నెంబర్లు సేవ్ చేసుకునేటప్పుడు సార్ ఓల్డ్ వర్షన్స్ అయితే డైరెక్ట్గా ఫోన్లోనే స్టోరేజ్ అవుతుంది సార్. లేటెస్ట్ వర్షన్ ఏంది, మీ మెయిల్ ఐడి తోటి స్టోర్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. ఎస్ సార్, నో సార్?
Yes, sir.
మెయిల్ ఐడి తోటి స్టోర్ చేసుకోవటానికి క్లౌడ్ అంటాం సార్. నీ మెయిల్ ఐడి తోటి స్టోర్ చేసుకోవటానికి క్లౌడ్ అంటాం. అంటే అది నీ మొబైల్లో స్టోరేజ్ అవ్వదు. నీ మెయిల్ ఐడి జీమెయిల్ వాడితే జీమెయిల్ గూగుల్ డ్రైవ్స్లో స్టోర్ అవుతుంది. అంటే నీ డేటా వచ్చేసి గూగుల్ వాళ్ళ దగ్గర ఉంటుంది. నీ ఫోన్ నెంబర్, నీ మొబైల్లో ఉండే ఎంటైర్ ఫోన్ నెంబర్స్ లిస్ట్ గూగుల్ దగ్గర ఉంటుంది సార్. గూగుల్ ఎవరికంటే ఇవ్వాలంటే ఇవ్వచ్చు. దట్ ఈస్ వాట్ వీఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు speak about security policies, cloud policies, all these things. This is your policy, sir. Data protections. If Google want to provide your information to anybody, he can do. So earlier also there was a case in US against Google related to data privacy. Okay, so this is related to your data privacy, sir. As we are small people, we are just using mobiles, but in background, for every application, there is a big reasons and big cases also will involve, sir. It is not a small things. So that is the way. Again, if you take your phone, same, if you capture a photo, ఒక ఫోటో తీసుకుంటే ఏమవుతుంది సార్ 2 MB 3 MB 5 MB 100 ఫోటోస్ తీసుకుంటే 1 GB డేటా అవుతుంది. ఎస్ సార్ నో సార్? ఈ 1 GB డేటా ఎక్కడ స్టోర్ అవుతుంది? మొబైల్ తగ్గిపోతుంది 128 GB లో now it becomes 127 GB. That 1 GB is your data, that is your photos. If you are not saving your database and if you are saving it in cloud, then that will be there as your cloud database. Okay, clear sir? That is the way same in SAP also. Every data will get saved into your database tables. Clear sir now? అర్థమైందా సార్?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, clear, sir.
Yeah. Okay, sir. And we are winding up here, sir, today. And next class we'll take tomorrow on regular timings only, sir, 9 o'clock. Okay? Okay,
sir.
sir. Yeah,
Sir,
thank
for
you, sir.
SAP installation, do we need to come to, to
Yeah,
office?
better you come to SR Nagar, sir, so that we will provide. Actually, we are not going to do installation. One more person is there. If you come to institute, you go to that. People will help you to go to that place. They will do installation, and we will pay that amount, sir. That will be
Okay.
done once you paid your fee payments, sir. Before itself, not. Sir.
Okay, sir.
And I am requesting you guys to complete your fees. So try to do, sir.